Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debro, and in today's video we are going to talk about the TheMobiAdz affiliate network review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debro for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the TheMobiAdz. The TheMobiAdz is an Indian-based company that was established in India. I think they have an office in Singapore as well, a new office in Singapore as well. They was established in the year 2014, which means they have 5 years experience in the affiliate industry. Their offers are based worldwide, but their affiliate, most of them are from Asia, especially from Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, India, countries like that. They focus more on affiliated from these countries. So if you're from Asia and you're starting to embark in your affiliate marketing journey, definitely the TheMobiAdz is something that you can go ahead and take a look at. Let's go into the website of the TheMobiAdz. If you personally ask me, I don't like their website too much because everything seems to be a little bit pixelated, everything seems to be a little bit blur, and they stuff everything over here. I feel the website is a little bit stuffy, less information. I feel that this website is not professional at all, but it might be a technical error in their designing side, but their designer needs some advice. Maybe I could advise their designer or something like that, but the design is worse, guys. It's not something that I personally like. This is my personal view. I don't like the design at all, but that does not define them itself. So let's go ahead and check out the website first. So we have everything for our partners. Let's go about us, what we do. Lead generation, e-commerce, CPS, cost per sale, cost per install, and also CPE. Affiliate services, we have more than 5,000 global affiliate. We love to serve them on-time support and payments as well. So they do single opt-in, double opt-in, sweepstakes, crypto lead, COD leads, cash on delivery rates. So they have, as you can see, in-house inventory to generate more than 30 direct global e-commerce brands like Lazada, Redmart, Amazon, Flipkart, Zalora. So these are what they do. So this is for the advertiser session. Maximize your ROI global traffic. They have more than 5,000, and they have high quality targeted users, multiple traffic source, easy integration. So this is their client, Amazon. As you can see, even though it's quite nice to look at all this, but then it seems to be a little bit very I don't know what to say, guys. It looks very unprofessional. As you can see, they have a Shopee from Malaysia, mostly Lazada Malaysia. This Lazada Malaysia. Then they have Amazon, mostly Asia's, guys. Not everything is Asia, but mostly Asia. So this is the affiliate section. Monetize with earns, maximize your earning. We have CBI, CBL, CBA, CBC. All right, cost per install, cost per lead, cost per action, cost per click. So let's see what else they say about here. We have CPI, CPL, mobile West, CPS categories, reliable payments, dedicated managers, easy integration, anyways, with S2 images, JS pixels, RON traffic. We have categorized smart link. So they have smart link. That's nice, available for publishers who wants to sell their remand traffic. So one click integration for all setup. So this is their team, account manager, founder. So you can see things are okay, guys, but I feel like it's a little bit unprofessional. As you can see over here, India, so they are based on New Delhi. They have email and support and everything, but in Singapore company, they are based over here. They don't have the support information over here. I think this is available for both of them. I'm not sure about that. So that's basically it. So next thing you gotta do is go ahead and log in, becoming the affiliate, and log in into their dashboard. So this is how their dashboard looks like. Pretty slick, guys. The website, I mean, at least the dashboard is way better than the website, guys. So it's pretty slick, it looks nice. So over here is the dashboard session. Everything is available over here. There's even top offers available over here. What is their top offer? Shopee. So this is COD leads, I think leads. Let's go and check out the offer. Before that, let's go to the statistics. So they have a lot of statistics over here. They even have referral statistics. So I think they have referral system. Later we'll take a look at their referral system as well. So as you can see, the next section would be the offer section. So if you go to the offer section, these are all their offers. So they have offers from worldwide. They have somewhere around 15 pages. So we have 100. So they have around approximately 1,500 offers. So they have like cost per install. They have a CPA. They have credit card summit. They have a lot of stuff over here. Cost per install. So their geo is not only targeted in India. It's US, Sweden, France. So it's worldwide. As you can see, Malaysia over here. 11 USD per lead. As you can see, even the payment over here, it's like, I don't know, guys, I feel like it's not professional at all. But then they have a lot of offers, guys. They have more than 1,500 offers. So you can go ahead and check out their offers if you're interested in. Let's do something. Let's just go ahead and check out one of the offers. Let's go with this one over here. Over here. So let's go and see what is this. Fraud and unqualified leads won't be paid. So this rebrokering, discard, instant traffic, this allowed. Other thing, everything is allowed except for brand contacts. So they give you 11 USD per lead. It's in all device. So let's go and see the offer preview. So as you can see, this is how the offer looks like. It's in Malay. So you can actually, I don't know how it goes. So this is how they only preview the offer. You can't click anything over here. Yep, you can't click anything over here. It's just a preview over here. So this is how the offer looks like. Not bad, guys. The landing page is not bad. At least they are doing good in this part. So the next thing would be the toolbox. They have API and they have the payments over here. There's no payment for us yet. News, support, everything. No news. They have a very bad integration, guys. So here is your support, where you can actually create a ticket and get to their support team. Personally, it's not the best affiliate network that we have made a review about, but definitely it's worth a try because I feel like their offers have a high payout. If you can see, 11 USD per lead and stuff like that. So it actually depends on a lot of other factors as well. What is the lead? What is the qualification for the lead? For example, is it just an email summit, or is it a single opt-in, double opt-in? So there's a lot of factors affecting that, but it looks like their payout is okay. Their payout is good, and the offers looks good as well. Their landing page, everything looks sleek. At least it's way better. Even the dashboard looks sleek, but then the integration and everything, actually it's very bad. Their website is the worst, guys. So I don't know. And they do have a referral system. I think their referral system is 5% per referral system, a lifetime referral system program. So this is mostly, we have covered the stuffs about the TheMobiAdz. It's not the best affiliate network, but definitely it's worth a look. Definitely go and check it out if you have the time to do so. I think we have reached to the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will reply that comment ASAP, guys. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.